Welcome once again to Kelson Education. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about some few mathematics tricks that could make maths even more interesting. You could join us anytime to check out some math tricks. Today we'll be talking about how to make finding the factors of numbers quite easy and simple. Let us start with examples to understand better what we are talking about. Let's take a number, for instance, number 24. So we want to find the factors of 24. How can we make this much simpler and easier in class or during examinations or tests? Remember, mathematics tricks makes maths easier but also saves time during tests and examination. So we want to find the factors of 24. And if you don't know anything about factors of numbers, I'll urge you to go into our previous videos and then watch a video on factors of numbers amongst the basics of mathematics videos that we released earlier. So, factors of 24. Let's try to figure them out. Any number that can divide 24 without a remainder. And we know 1 is always a factor of a number, so 1. Now, to make things easier for us when we are finding the factors of a number, we also want to find the number when multiplied by 1 could give us 24. Which number do you think that is? Oh, I know you guessed it right. That is 24. So write that at the end of the factors. The next number which can divide 24 is 2. So we write down our 2 and then we write the multiple of 2 that gives us 24. That is 12. We also write that getting to the end. The next number that can divide 24 without a remainder is 3. And 3 multiplied by 8 will give us 24. So you write that there too. The next number that can divide 24 without a remainder is 4. And the multiple of 4 to produce 24 is 6. Now, the only number between 4 and 6 is 5. And 5 cannot divide 24. So 5 is not a factor of 24. You see how easy this is? Now, by ending on 6, we know we've already gotten the numbers getting to the end of the factors. So we don't have to go through all the numbers between 6 to 24 to find out the factors, since we already found the multiples of the numbers and also producing the factors of 24. Doesn't this make maths easier and fun? And also save time during our examinations? I know it does. Well, let's try another example. So what are the factors of 56? Well, the very first factor we know is 1. And 1 times 56 equals 56. The next number that can divide 56 without a remainder is 2. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 28 produces 56. Now, 3 cannot divide 56 without a remainder, so we'll move on to the next number, which is 4. Now, 4 can divide 56 14 times. 5 can't divide 56, so we move on to 6. Well, 6 can't divide 56, so let's move on to the next number, which is 7. 7 can divide 56. How many times? I think if you calculate, you get 8. So 7 into 56, 8 times. So we are going to have the 7 and then the multiple of 7, 8, giving us 56. So we've ended right there, because from 7 and to 8, there is no number between it. So it means we've come to the end of the factors of 56. and we don't have to continue because we've already closed in on the factors of numbers. This is one trick that can help us make maths easier and much fun and save time during our maths class or during our test or examination. Thank you for joining us. Join us next time for another maths trick.